Organic collaboration network. Panel assembly is an intermediate process in the flow process and provides processed and molded products. Welding the provided plate blocks and assemble them into single blocks and double blocks after turnover. Afterwards, it moves to the pre-equipment workshop for rig installation and pre-erection work. Panel assembly requires pre-processing information and help from the support department. The flow process becomes smooth when information such as work schedule, budget, BOM information, production drawing information, and precautions when assembling blocks is provided, and various facilities, equipment, cranes, etc. are supported at the appropriate timing.